England gathered their most hot steel Ashes bowling attack since 1970s. So far, as a good. If at any point the past year England has been offered the Ashes squad they were able to name on Tuesday, they would have played in extra 18 hole celebrate moves to assemble this group of players starts in the summer 2024. This will be England's first James Anderson Ashes tour in more than 20 years. No matter how great a bowler has been, the absent, absent of an Anderson-style bowler is a sign England plan has come together. Too often, England have arrived at an Australian gunfight armed only with whiz. Now Mark Wood, Jofra Archer, Josh Tunks, Gus Atkinson, Braden Cross, Matthew Potts and Ben Stokes can fight fire with fire. It probably the most hot steel group of fast bowler England have sent down under since John Shaw and Bob Wills. Bowlers England have sent down under since John Shaw and Bob Wills were at the forefront of victory in 1970-71, the last time England beat a strong Australian team in Australia. The first test on Spice Perth, then the pink ball test in Brisbane will not be for the hearted England might not option of a spinner in other and will hope to unleash Wood and Archer together in Perth at latest. They will be box office somehow the tourists need to back their trend of starting Ashes tour as we fully get out of the opening tour on level terms at Roast. There would be no coming back from 2-0 down. England say Stokes will recover from shoulder injury 21 November, but there will be a concern over the talisman skipper ability to get through the whole series. He has not played full party in England parts 4 without Stokes' chance of returning with undividedly almost nothing. Protecting the captain could be another reason to play for friends somewhere in Perth. The case of Wood, a career's one, the fastest bowler in the world, has not played a test match since last August because of Elizabeth the King's injury. A comeback has been gradually pushed back to the point where he has not played all the summer. Wood states he has beat from when fresh and the body advance support the theory he will continue be fresh in Perth. Stokes and Wood are the only two bowlers in squad that have played a test. Australia overall only 5 players served from previous tour 4 years ago. Churn that to be expert when England record down under is a watch. There agreeably question about the driving of the entire attack as all of Archer, Atkinson, Cross, and Tongue have had injury problem in the recent past. It was every deuce fast bowling in hard work. Archer, the trump card, has shown recent Robertson. It has collapsed. England could only have imaged in their wildest dream. Bill Jacks influences us the cover for Shoaib Bashir perfect reveals the part of lacks of spin will be play in the series. Jacks is a batting all-rounder who played two tests 3 years ago and has taken only five first-class wickets in this year in begin a tall of spinner. He mimics the quality of Bashir and multi-dissimulation aspect of his game. 5 England option he could for example cover of injury stocks and still allow in exclusion for fame. Harry Brook in relation to vice captain for first down the by coach Brendan McCullum more than week ago thought enter legacy giving Brook is Stoker's most likely success as a test captain. It is a blow for Oli Pope who now lets protect him challenge of Jacob Bethel. The Pope Bethel debut could rumble all the way personally because England missed for opportunity to put it bad in the summer. They know nothing more about either man they did April. Pope missed his chance to nail down the sport and Bethel bravely. Pope has a career average 35 and almost matched that with 34 in the 5 home test against India. If he does the same against Australia, it would the perfectly squad. England need decide if that an out of their want the role the decisive 21-year-old on one professional 100 ability player who looks like has been built batting goats. The rest the batting lineup England straight they have pumped coins into the Jack Crowley front machine the hope. Thank you.